Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Syncwire mini cable clip holders. This is a 5-pack and this is good for cable management. Now this is a transparent pack, so these are transparent and clear. So it comes with a little user guide in there, and here they are. So these are to help you with your cable management, and we're going to show you and demonstrate how they work. So if you take a look up here, there's cables everywhere. This is just a mess. Well, let's go ahead and clean that up in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Check that out. So that's what you call cable managing. So now we need a cable, no problem. We go ahead and pull it out, and when we're done, you just feed it back down through wherever you want it to go, so it's out of the way. Each cable can be pulled directly out, and if it comes out, you just simply pop it right down in place, plug it in, feed it back down through. Now since we have it up against the wall, we might have to pull our table out just a little bit, but you guys get the idea. Cable managing is a good way to do things. So how these work is there's 3M tape underneath them that you peel away and then you stick it down, but make sure you clean your surface before you stick it down, and that's all is to it. It's very simple. These get a 5-star rating from me. They work great. I'm extremely happy with them. And my table is extremely happy because it's no longer messy.